Hey Ryan, what you gonna do today?
Today we're gonna camp
Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna go for fall camping. Where?
near our yard.
Right in our backyard here. We're gonna set up a tent, a camping tent. It's a 3 to 4 person camping tent and we're gonna enjoy our fall camping. So let's set up the tent with us.
Hey guys, we're just camping for this. Today, this is our first day of camping, and my mother and me are gonna camp. So this is the best day of camping. I hope you like this. Subscribe if you wanna come to our channel and watch more videos of us. This is my mom.
So we got our chair ready.
Hey guys,
Ryan, help me in setting up the tent.
we got this.
Whole thing.
We got this from the tent, and we got this, and we got the stickies, and we got some sticks, and we got this, more sticks, more pads, and this is a big part. And I don't know what's this. I don't know what's this. Wait, a pouch. Some takata. And we also have these. My dad has those. Actually, my dad has these. That's crazy. These are crazy. Ooh. And more sticks.
Careful, you are hitting my mobile.
Okay. I hope you like this.
Can you just hold it and take it all the way back?
What? Oh my!
Just keep it. Don't pull it. Just leave it. Just leave it, Ryan. This is the screen for the tablet or mobile. Okay. Is it broken or something? Let's see.
Oh, that's crazy. Huh? Good question.
So can you take this one? Don't step up on this thing.
Oh, good question.
Take it. Just keep it straight. Open up. Open up, Ryan, the other side.
Okay, I got that.
Just open up, Ryan. This is gonna be our entrance. So I want to keep the entrance facing to the other side. Can you pull the thing? Yes, go there. Yes, good job. Keep it up. Leave it.
We're doing good. We're doing good, Mommy. We're doing good?
Yeah. What do you think, Ryan?
Good.
So our camp is ready.
Yeah.
This is how it looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can try to get in there, Ryan. Open the zipper. There is one here. The other one is there over there. You can open the other one and try to get in. I have one more tarpaulin, so I think we can get that one.
Wow. This is the best.
To hang your tablet or mobile. We can have movie night here. So we have started our setup in the evening time, in the afternoon time, before it's evening, so that it's all set for the night. You're doing great, Ryan. Awesome. So you can put your tablet or mobile.
I can put my tablet.
Yeah. You need to take off your shoes outside. And I'll set up some sleeping bag here for us. Yes. Hi. Oh, okay, it's okay. Guys, having pizza fun.
We got a pizza from Domino's.